The Panda's Secret Bamboo Garden. Deep in the misty mountains of China, there lived a gentle panda named Pogo. Pogo loved to spend his days munching on bamboo and exploring the peaceful forest around his home. But Pogo had always been a bit more curious than the other pandas. He loved to explore new places, and he dreamed of finding something truly magical one day. One morning, after a heavy rain, Pogo was wandering through the bamboo forest when he noticed something unusual. There, in the middle of the forest, was a path he had never seen before. The leaves on the ground seemed to shimmer in the sunlight, glowing with a golden hue. Intrigued, Pogo followed the trail, feeling an excited flutter in his heart. As he wandered deeper into the forest, the air around him grew still. The bamboo trees became taller and their leaves turned from green to shades of blue, purple, and gold. Pogo couldn't believe his eyes. He had stumbled upon a hidden garden, the most beautiful and magical place he had ever seen. In the center of the garden stood a massive, ancient bamboo tree, glowing with soft light. Pogo cautiously approached the tree, his eyes wide with wonder. Hanging from one of the branches was an old bamboo scroll. It looked ancient, its surface covered in mysterious symbols. Pogo's heart raced as he reached out and touched the scroll. Suddenly, the symbols began to glow, and the scroll unrolled itself. In beautiful, glowing letters, it read, "This is the secret bamboo garden. Only the kind-hearted may enjoy the magic here. Pick one bamboo shoot and you will experience a wonder like no other. But remember, to keep the magic alive, you must share it with others." Pogo's paws trembled with excitement. He carefully picked a glowing bamboo shoot and took a small bite. Instantly, he felt a strange tingling sensation all over his body. Before he knew it, Pogo was floating. He let out a joyful laugh as he soared up into the air, drifting higher and higher until he could see the entire forest below him. The sky above him was a brilliant mix of colors, like a never-ending sunset. As he floated, Pogo realized that he wasn't just seeing the forest, he was seeing the whole world. Mountains, rivers, valleys, and villages passed beneath him like a colorful map. Pogo felt free, happier than he had ever been before. After a while, Pogo gently floated back down to the secret bamboo garden. He couldn't believe the magic he had just experienced. But he knew what he had to do next. He had to share the magic with his friends back home. With a grateful heart, Pogo picked a few more glowing bamboo shoots and tucked them safely under his arm. When he returned to his fellow pandas, they were amazed by the glowing bamboo and Pogo's story of the secret garden. Together, they all took a bite of the magical bamboo and experienced the wonder of floating through the sky, just as Pogo had. From that day on, the pandas of the forest knew that the greatest magic wasn't just in the bamboo, it was in the act of sharing joy and adventure with others. Pogo smiled every time he thought of the secret bamboo garden, knowing it would always be waiting for him whenever he wanted to feel the magic again. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.